So, welcome to today's vlog. Today, I'll be showing you how to train your back in the gym. How to do it correctly and with intensity. Because if you want to improve, you need to train your back hard so that you can build a nice V taper and a muscular back that people can see, be like, wow, you know. For example, like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, you know, they have very well developed backs. So stay tuned. This is my first exercise that I'm actually doing. It's gonna be my front lever. I really like it because I always try to incorporate some calisthenics into my workout. My second exercise is actually a chest supported lat pull down. This one trains the lowest division of my lats, so it helps me to get that wide V taper body from the back view. And also 3 reasons why I like this exercise a lot. Number 1, it's very stable. Number 2, I can really try to lift as heavy as possible without worrying myself from falling forward or getting pulled by the cable. Number 3, I like to do it unilaterally, one arm at one time, because I can really focus on keeping myself stable and keeping my form in check, so that let's say if my right side is stronger, I can also try to work on improving my weaker side, which is my left side. So I do suggest you to try to add this into your back workout and let me know if this is a good exercise or not. My second exercise is actually a straight arm pull down, which also trains unilaterally. I actually really prefer to do one arm at one time for my back because number 1, usually you have a dominant arm. So example, if you're a right-hander, your right hand will be much stronger than your left hand. So I actually like to train one at one time because I can really even out my strength, work on my stabilizers for both sides, and also try to improve on the form. So this one also hits my lat, a different part of it, and so you can try it with one-handed at one time. It's actually much better. So my third exercise is actually a single arm dumbbell row. I do actually like to do this a lot because number 1, you really train how to be able to row without any chest support. So it requires a lot of stabilization from your legs, your abs, and also yourself to keep your body stable without jerking. So what I'm doing is actually a very strict version of the dumbbell rows. I try to keep my hip movement, my leg movement very minimal, and I try to lock my body as stable as possible. So my one hand will be bracing while the other part of my body will be rowing. So example, if you see in the video when I'm doing on my right side, my left hand will be on the bar bracing. So one advice to do this is maybe to start a bit lighter, then slowly warm up to a set that you can do without jerking and stuff like that. Because when you are not jerking, you can be able to focus all the tension on your back muscle. So this is another of my favorite back exercise to do to build mass and strength. So I do recommend you to try it. My last exercise is actually a very basic barbell deadlift. I like to put this at the end because number 1, I really feel very challenged to complete, and also because when I'm doing my deadlift, I like to keep it as strict as possible. No jerking, no swinging, really very stable. Bend my legs, keep my back straight, keep the core tight, keep my abs braced, and really drive up the weight. So I do recommend that if you are crazy enough, you can try this and keep it at the end of the workout. So, thanks for watching my vlog. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Drop me a DM if you need personal training, and also check out my other videos because I have a lot of very informative tutorials for you. Thanks, goodbye.